Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain about HRSD overview. Okay, this is our section 1, okay, about HRSD, human resource service delivery. Okay, so let's see our agenda. Our agenda is like why HRSD, why we use HRSD, okay, and who uses HRSD, what are the benefits of HRSD, what are the HRSD applications, okay, what are the key features of HRSD, and a small demo to show how the HRSD looks like, okay, everything, okay. So why HRSD, okay, why we use HRSD? So let's see, for example, um, let me take a notepad here. Okay, so in the notepad, like let me type like why we use. For example, if any company is not having no HRSD, okay, no HRSD, then what? HR staff feels the process are disconnect. Okay, so what HR? There are some processes like. If someone, like for example, if an employee of the company, they want to know about their onboarding details or payroll, okay, or something like legal, like legal stay or legalizations of their work, okay, what are the facilities, what is IT coordinator. So everything is like when you want to, for example, if a manager, when you want to promote someone, okay, something like. Okay, so everything is process related. So there is no place. Okay, so there will be like a many portals. Okay, many portals needed for all these kind of information. Okay, kind of info. There is no single place. Single place. Okay, no single place. No single place. Okay, so employees have no single place to access any HR services like, I say like payrolls or employee relations or enrollment, okay, and to promote someone, okay, so all these things, okay. So sometimes, no single place, and sometimes it's like you need to carry, hard copies, okay, hard copies or emails, Excels. So it is like a very long time. Okay, it will take a duration. Okay, the duration is like more. Okay, duration is more. So it is not on time. Okay, it takes like weeks of time, months of time to do these things, everything. Okay, we have HR system. Okay, HR system of records everything in SAP success factor. Okay, success factors where you will rely. Okay, and you have different departments. Okay, different departments. Okay, different departments all together. Well, let me open a paint so that you can understand easily. Paint. Okay, so you see this is an employee. Okay, this is an employee, and you have HR system. Okay, you see this is HR system and this is some departments. Okay, so you have different HR systems you have. Okay, and you have different departments here. Okay, different departments like here you have SAP success factor. Okay, SAP success factor. Okay, or you have any other applications, okay, which deals with ongoing other applications. other applications. Okay, here you have HR, IT department. Okay, IT department you have, legal department you have, legal, and here you have something relation. Okay, relations. Okay, employee relations, all this together. So there is no concern. So the employee needs to connect this way, this way, and this way, and this way, and this way, and like this. Okay. So like this, like this, like this. Okay. So there is no point of contact. Okay. So there is no single store. Okay, where everything can be relate. Okay. So there is no relation. Okay. So there is no relation. So it's like a zigzag. Okay, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, so by using ServiceNow, okay, so if you have, okay, let's remove all these things. Okay, so if you have in between a ServiceNow, okay, HRSD, ServiceNow HRSD, ServiceNow HRSD. Okay, so you get, so it will interact with this and with this, and the end is simple. Okay, one way. That is only one. Okay, so everything will be in single place. Okay, everything will be in single place. So that is why we use ServiceNow HRSD. The optimize HR service delivery, we will tell. Okay, so that's why we use ServiceNow HRSD to have everything in a single place. Okay, so let's see what all the benefits of HRSD, or who uses HRSD, or everything. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so that is our why HRSD, and who uses HRSD? Employees or worker. Okay, so like submit request, complete task and review status. Okay, using employee center role. Okay, knowledge bases, they are using everything. Okay, in a single place. Okay, HR professional, like work HR cases to answer questions or fulfillment requests. Okay, so for example, employee benefits, they can answer it. Okay, if they want to know the employee relations, okay, employee payroll, everything HR professional they will use. Like other departments, like onboarding team, okay, or work task within HR processes, okay, so IT teams, okay, legal teams, everything, other different departments. And leadership is like monitor the progresses, okay, make strategic decisions for HRs, okay. So these kind of people, so okay, uses HRSD. Okay, now let's see the benefits of HRSD, ServiceNow HRSD. What are the benefits of ServiceNow? Automate HR interactions. Okay, so no need to go to HR offices. Okay, no need to stand online. Okay, to for the HR to give you something or to ask any information. Okay, automate the routine processes. Automatically route request to the right person in the department. Okay, so for example, if you want to know about the payroll, you need to go with the payroll HR. Okay, if you want to discuss about the legalization, you need to go to the legalization of HRs. Okay, so all these kind of, there are different kinds. So in ServiceNow you can simply create a ticket, okay, and it will directly route to the your HR. Okay, respective, like the right person in the department. Okay, it will assign directly. Okay, and manager manage, track, and prioritize HR work. Okay, so it is not a manager, it's like manage. Okay, manage, track, and prioritize HR work. Okay, so use why we use why this is like you can use a single platform for all the HR services. Okay, and deliver a constant employee experience and track and prioritize HR work. Okay, something like which one it is important. Payroll is important, or legalization important, or some other department is important. So it depends upon the you can prioritize the work. Okay, Employee Center Pro. So it gives a single, Employee Center Pro is an, it gives employees a single system to engage with HR, easily submit and track all the requests, everything. Okay, so these are the benefits of HRSD. So HRSD applications. What are the HRSD applications? Okay, HR case and knowledge management. You can create some cases and it will auto assign to your HR. Okay, right person. Okay, the benefits of tracking. Okay, some reimbursement. Something like you can use HR cases. All these things. And knowledge management is like to know the reimbursement, track reimbursement, knowledge articles, all these things you can have in HRSD. Okay, so yeah. Employee Center Pro, in Employee Center Pro, you have all these things. You can access to knowledge base, you can access to request, onboarding, offboarding. Okay, you can have the AI powered search, everything. Okay. The life cycle events like employee onboarding, offboarding, employee you want to take maternity leave, you want to take long leave, leave of absence, anything you can have some life cycle events you can create it. Okay, HR integrations like to pull employees data from an external external systems or push data from external system to ServiceNow. Okay, it's an integration between SuccessFactors and some other applications which we use for HRs. Okay, next is HR performance analytics content pack. Okay, this is like a reporting purpose. Okay, active HR cases per week, average open backlog. This is for to monitor all these things. Okay, and employee document management. Okay, so something like you have agreements. Okay, non-disclosure, NDA you call it. Okay, so to sign everything. So this is it is subscription we want, but if you have, this is very helpful. Okay, to sign it and send it okay, easily digitally signed, all these things. Okay, on top of it, HR resource application, or scoped application. So scoped application provide an additional layer of control over HR data. Okay, HR can move at their desired place, independent of IT. Okay, all these things. Okay, you can restrict access to HR applications for admin also. Okay, admin also. So benefits. Okay, what are the benefits? HR case management. Okay, HR case management, like for example, um, what like HR request. Okay, document and employee HR request. How do we document? For example, you want something from HR. Okay, you want to document those things. Okay, so an HR case is used to capture the details of the employee's request on any notes entered by the HR professional. So all these HR cases can document. Okay, what HR said. Okay, all these things. It's not in an email, but in the case you can have everything stored. Okay. HR case auto assignment. For example, if you create some case, okay, HR case, so it will directly route to the right person. Okay, so that auto assignment it will is there. Okay, and HR bulk case request. If you can drive multiple HR cases at a single time. Okay, like if you want to issue a payroll. Okay, or if you want to some fix paychecks. Okay, for like 1,000 employees or 10,000 employees, or 500 employees. Okay, so you can drive HR cases as a bulk cases. Okay, and employee doc management. Okay, so leave of absence. Okay, performance records. Okay, the employee document management application allows HRs to maintain all electronic employee documents in a single locations. Okay, and you can set the retention policies also, like 5-year policy. Okay, 10-year policy. employee access, all these things. HR reports and dashboards, reports and dashboards, you have reports, okay, and performance analytics, you have like indicators where you get more metrics, okay. Employee Center Pro, yeah, there is a single platform. You will have access for all the systems. Okay, you can easily request HR, IT, workplace, legal, organization chart, my task, my request, everything from the Employee Center Pro. Okay, you have some kind of manager hub also that reduce managers' times, okay, energy and action, and help them focus on things, okay, that will keep their team supported and encouraged. Okay. And next it is like a mobile app. Okay, mobile app forums. We have employee forums. Okay, and virtual agent with NLU you have. Okay, virtual agent with NLU you have, and HR with the knowledge campaigns you have, auto case categorization with predictive intelligence you have. Okay, key integrations, lifecycle events. So these all we discussed before. Okay, so these are all the benefits of HRSD. HRSD. Okay, so let's see a small demo of HRSD. What is what all the things? Okay. So before going to demo, let's see a few things. So HRSD is a scoped application. Okay, so what is scoped applications? Okay, scoped applications provides an additional layer of control over HR data. Okay, so what it means, like HR can move at the desired place and independent of IT. HR provides, the autonomy and control needs to configure and manage all aspects of the HR application and Employee Center Pro. Okay, like something like confidential information is hidden from so all scoped applications will not be visible by admin. Okay, so to give access to admin, okay, admin needs some special roles belongs to the scope application roles they need to involve. Okay, so without those roles admin also cannot see. Okay, so we can restrict access to HR applications for admin. Okay, restrict access to HR applications. Okay, you can restrict HR access to HR applications to admin. Okay, so to get access to HR application for admin, you need some special roles. Okay, mm, special roles you need. Okay, so those roles we will see now, and how the admin will access. Okay, so all these things we will see now. Okay, so let's log into your instance. Okay, log in. Okay. So I have logged in as an admin user. Okay, admin user. So if I type HR, mm, okay, if I type HR, so I can see HR case management, all these things. Okay, so because I already assigned the roles to the admin, so that's the reason I'm able to see. Let's remove the roles and let's see. Okay, so view in default view. Okay, and remove the roles. Okay, remove the roles. There are called HR, SP admin, and DSP admin. There are some admins are there. Okay, so let's save it now. Let's save it now. Okay, so now log out and log in back. So now in the filter navigator again type HR. Okay, so no, you should not able to see these informations. Okay, let's see again the profile view, default view. Edit. Okay, so he is not having any HR roles, but still he is able to see. That is, I think, let's log out again and let's log in back. Seems like there is some issue in my instance. Okay, but usually you will not able to see. Let's remove, clear the cache and do cache.do. It will clear the caches. Okay, and let's log in back again. So because without those roles, admin cannot see. Okay, so we can restrict all these things. Okay, so, that's we have restrict access to HR applications. Okay, so that's why. Okay, still he is able to see, but the thing is, let's create a new case. Let's see by clicking on creating a new case. Skip verification. So okay, so seems like the roles are not removed properly. Okay, so maybe let's check the profile again and view, default view. Let's see HR is there or not. Okay, so there are roles at HRSP admin. You can see. Okay, seems the roles are not removed properly. Okay, so let's see. Let's add HR. Okay, let's add all those roles and save it. Okay, and now let me remove it again. A separate admin. I will remove everything now. And security admin, let it be there. It should remove, but it is not getting removed in the roles. You can see the roles are not getting removed. Maybe in this group it is attached. I don't know. So nothing at all. But I removed the roles, but it is not getting removed. Okay. So then what we will do is we will delete these things. There's no option also, but let's see in the groups members table, or this user has role table. Okay. Dot list user admin, sorry, system administrator. Roles contain HR. So all these roles we need to remove. We will, though, okay, there is no delete option also here to delete it. Okay, so somehow in my instance it is having some error. Okay, so if you don't have these roles, okay, the admin cannot see these applications. Okay, admin cannot see these applications. Okay, because these roles are not getting removed from this instance. I'm not sure why it is not getting removed. That I need to analyze later. Okay, so you understand, right? So if you don't have those roles, the admin also cannot see these things. Okay, the admin also cannot see things. You can see this HR case management you have. Okay, and you have the employee center. Okay, if you click on employee center, okay, it will redirect to employee center portal. So this is what we are discussing about in the previous section, in the previous slides. Okay, so where you can access all everything. Okay, in the under IT you can access everything IT. Okay, knowledge articles you have, chart virtual agent also chart you have. Okay, so all this okay, so you can have everything. Okay, and also okay, you can create a bulk case request also. You can see all the cases which are assigned to you, which are assigned to the team. Okay, payroll cases, talent management cases, everything. Okay, HR task. Okay, so in the cases you have a task. Okay, so HR profile you need, which HR profile needs to be assigned, which users. Okay, what are the beneficiary, health benefits, everything, compensations or everything, tuition reimbursements. Okay, HR integrations like okay, you have some different types of integrations. So all these integrations you can see in these logs. You can see okay, dashboards and reports and performance analytics. Also, you can see you can have all those thresholds and phrases. Everything you can have. You can create some indicators. All these things. Okay. So this is a HR application. So it looks like, and these are the main components or applications we have in the HR. Okay, so with these roles, any users, if you have a particular part of every applications you have, you can see every role. Okay, manager you have admin, mobile admin, integration user. Okay, HRSM employee, profile reader, report creator, or something like this. Okay, so there are a lot of these things. Okay, so that depends on okay so yeah, so that's what that is what the overview of HRSD. Okay, so in upcoming classes we will see more in detail, in depth, okay, of HR management, why we using, what are the real cases, real time scenarios. Okay, so all these things we will see in upcoming sessions. Okay, for more updates please subscribe. Okay, and yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you all. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.